Hi! Welcome back, Soy! After ngayon dito sa UK, walang pasok ang mga bata. My youngest Coco, nag-request siya ng... What did you request for, Marco?
Chocolate Boba.
That's why we're heading to New Malden to buy some stuff for the Boba. Okay, Soy! Nandito na tayo sa New Malden. Kung ang mga Filipino ay may Earl's Court, ang mga Korean dito sa UK or London ay may New Malden. Dito mo makikita ang maraming Korean restaurants and Korean shops. Okay, so nandito na tayo. Let's go inside. This is their noodle section. My favorite. Look at that. May kangkong sila. Masarap to sa sinigang. This is their frozen and meat section. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. But look, they have a lot of variations. They have the colored tapioca pearl. Look at that, Soy. They have green tea, lychee, and taro flavor. Okay, tapos na kami. Magbabayad na kami nito. Okay, Soy, these are the two main components for our boba recipe. We have here tapioca pearl and our brown sugar. I normally start by boiling water in a kettle to cut the cooking time. So after boiling in a kettle, I put it straight to a hot pot. Now it started boiling, I'm gonna put 2 cups. That's the whole packaging, 250 grams. And then wait for the pearl to float. They're starting to float now, Soy. Once all the tapioca floats, or most of them at least, lower the temperature down and then cover it. And then let it simmer from 2 to 3 minutes. So after 2 or 3 minutes, this is how they look like. So turn off the fire now and then let them simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes. So after another 2 to 3 minutes, this is how they should look like. They're ready. After draining, straight to a bowl. And while they're hot, we put the brown sugar. It needs to be hot so that the sugar will coat the pearls. I want them sweet. Mix it well. Make sure the sugar will melt. Can you see it, Soy? That's the consistency that I want. Very thick. I think that's about 1 cup of brown sugar that I gradually added so that the sugar will melt. That's it, Soy. That's our main component. Okay, for our first recipe, dahil Filipino ako, I'm gonna make sago. The water. Mix it. Let's try it, Soy. Yummy. Hindi kaya, Soy, ginaya lang tayo ng mga Taiwanese? Think about it and then drop me a comment below. Akala ko nung una, boba and sago are the same. But the main ingredients of boba is tapioca, while the sago is powder starch. Yun lang ang difference nila, Soy. Pero kung titignan mo, magkamukha lang sila. And then for our next recipe, it will be milk boba. This is very famous, mga Soy. My kids love this, especially Coco. So we start with getting the glass. And then we put the tapioca pearl or boba. So what we do in the shop is try to coat the glass by turning the glass slowly, coating the side with the caramelized sugar, and then we add the milk. I use full cream milk for the best result. Okay, for the next recipe, we'll be making milk tea boba. I got 2 bags of tea here because I want my tea strong, but you can use one depending how you want it. Add boiling water and then brew it. While brewing the tea, get my glass and put the boba, same as what we did earlier on soy. So I try to coat the glass with the boba by turning it around like this. By the way, this is black tea. Then I add some ice, and followed by the milk. That's it, soy. Milk tea boba done. Okay, soy, for the next recipe, this is another request from Coco. So we'll be needing ice, boba, and chocolate milk drink. But you can also make your own chocolate drink. I just find this very convenient because I have it in the fridge. And then we'll be also needing a personalized blender. So let's begin. So I start with ice. Put a bit of ice. And then your chocolate milk. Making sure it's tight. That's it, soy. Then we need to put the boba on the glass with a bit of syrup. And then to make it a bit fancy, look at that, soy. You ready, Marco, to taste?
Yes. Yeah, Mama, soy.
Okay, soy, for the next one, this is my favorite actually. So I have here coconut milk for this is a non-dairy option. And then the same old ingredients. We have ice and then boba as well. So I normally start with the coconut milk, about 2 cups. And then a bit of ice. And then boba on a glass. A bit of syrup. So that it will be a bit sweet. This is unsweetened one, the one that I use. In our province, we have a similar drink. It's called ginilo. Mix it, and then let's try it. It's nice. Very Filipino. Try making it. If you like it, drop me a comment below. Okay, last but not the least, we'll be making ube flavored boba. This is a very nice combination, soy. This is a very traditional Filipino flavor. We start with ice. And then we pour the coconut milk. And then the ube. So that's about 2 big spoonful of ube. Or it's called purple yam. That's it, soy. Okay, let's put some boba now. That looks satisfying, isn't it, soy? Okay, soy, let's try it. Last recipe done. You can really taste the flavor of the ube. It's really nice. Very Filipino, soy. If I were you, try this and let me know if you like it. I have few more recipes to do, but that will be next time. Thank you. Bye.